Hello, today's video is just going to be a quick one. There'll be two videos today. One will be this, and then later on I'm going to do a shave with the Gem Junior. Alright, recently my check engine light came on in my car, and I had to order a gas cap. So, to make up the free shipping, I ordered some razor stuff. And it's what you see before you now. First, I'll start off with the Wilkinson sword Gillette blades, or Gillette Wilkinson sword, the saloon pack. I gambled and went for the cheapest one that was there, and I was kind of surprised. I got the made in India ones. And I'm kind of happy everybody says they're the same. Come on, focus camera. There we go. Got two of them. I think they were like $6.30 something. And I didn't care either way. I've had good luck with Chinese blades. The Q-shave blades, the Dollar Tree, or not Dollar, yeah, Dollar Tree blades even that come with the shirt for men, and even the ones that replace the Dorcos at Dollar General. So, I didn't mind, but I was hoping to get these, and I did. So, lucked out there. Well, I needed just enough to make up the free shipping, and I said, you know what, I'm going to give the Lord razor a try. This is the L7, I think? No, this is the L6. It says right there at the bottom. So, I'll have a shave up with this probably this weekend. I'm not going to use the Lord blade. Or you know what, I will. I'll use the Lord blade. I normally use a Gillette Platinum or a Permasharp, but I'll try the Lord blade. Now let's see how this opens up here. Here's the blade. I've heard a lot of good things about this razor, and I've wanted to try it for a while because, come on, focus camera, sorry guys. I wanted to try the German style double edge, you know, that kind of razor. There we go. Pretty light. I'll say that. I like the handle length. Oh, wow. Thread's a little rough. Yeah. Cool. I'll give it a try here this weekend, and I'll get back to you guys. I'm going to put some mineral oil on these threads, I'll tell you that much. So, alright. Lord razor. Some Gillette Wilkinson sword blades. I'll have the review up with that either Saturday or Sunday. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Till you know, you're going to see my other video later on. And catch you later, and happy shaves.